Hey you guys, I'm here with another DIY and it's going to be a Christmas gift basket. Now this basket I picked it up at the Dollar Tree and I thought how cute. So I'm going to go ahead and use it. And they actually sell it in green as well. So if you want to go ahead and make a green one, which I did make one but not with the basket because I didn't find it in time. But you guys, this is going to be for a teenager. Now she's around 14 years old and her favorite color is blue and purple. So I went ahead and I picked up this little purple tray. I thought, how cute would this be for her to put her jewelry, her earrings, her necklaces. I thought that little tray or cup would be so cute just for her to put change or anything she wants in it. So yeah, I picked that up at the Dollar Tree. And then I also picked up this tissue at the Dollar Tree. So we're going to put tissue in the bottom just so everything holds up nice and displays. Go ahead and add like 2 or 3 pieces of tissue. Whatever color you want, it's really up to you. I'm going to go ahead and use the white and then put red tissue on the top just because it is still a Christmas basket, even though her colors are purple and blue. I wanted to keep it, Christmas. So the first thing I grabbed was this beautiful ornament, and it's a snowman, you guys. I got it at Walmart for $1.97. They have them at the dollar store, don't worry. But I really like this ornament. The snowmen are in this year. So if I was you, I would pick up a couple of the snowmen because they're really popular this year. And actually, they give the tree, just a little something. And they sell them everywhere. Go ahead and check out my Walmart Christmas haul. Come with me. It'll show you all the ornaments. And go ahead and check out the Dollar Tree ones I have. It'll show you all the ornaments as well. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and like this video, you guys. The second thing I picked up was at Michael's was this compact mirror. It was $1.50. I thought this would be gorgeous to go with her theme. So let's put this in the back of the snowman. I thought the mirror was cute because you always lose them as a child. And then I picked up this purple sparkly nail color. And I picked it up at the dollar store as well. And it is Wet n Wild. So I was really happy I found that. I love the brand Wet n Wild. It lasts a long time. And then let's go ahead and cover the top just with a little red so we get into the Christmas spirit. And I thought, oh, the next thing I picked up was the JBL portable mini go-to Bluetooth speaker. I thought this would be a great speaker for her room. And it was around, I want to say $50 from Best Buy with a 2-year insurance on it. Because, you have to get these kids things insured. They break everything, especially when they're teenagers. They either lose it or break it. So I put a 2-year insurance on it. The next thing I'm going to add are these cute spa bombs, which I thought would be perfect for her when she takes a bath. So she could be nice and relaxed while she listens to her radio. It is waterproof, but please do not put it in the water just in case, And yeah, I thought the radio would be good for her. I added some candy because she does love her candy. She has a sweet tooth. So some M&Ms covered with caramel, I think. I picked up this 2-in-1 toothpaste, which I thought would be perfect. I picked up this lip gloss at the dollar store, a lip balm, but it looks like a crayon, so I thought that would be good. Plus, it goes with the theme. And it is a teenager's gift basket, so I didn't want to make it too adultish. I'm going to go ahead and give her some doilies just so she could write in them and stick them on her wall, in her room with a Sharpie. I should have gave her a Sharpie, but I didn't think about it. Just little things a teenager would enjoy because they are picky and you know how they are. They roll their eyes for everything. I wanted to add more candy since they do love their candy and they do have a sweet tooth. So if it doesn't fit, you guys, don't add it. Don't even worry about it. If it doesn't fit in your basket, just leave it out. Leave it for another person or for another basket. If you're happy with the way your basket looks, perfect. Let's go ahead and just close it up. And I am super happy the way this little basket came out. And yeah, a lot of stuff didn't fit, but it's okay. She has the most important stuff there, which is the radio, her ornament, a couple of snacks, and a lip gloss, which I'm happy I put in. Now I'm going to go ahead and add some ribbon. I'm looking at the colors. Should I do blue? Should I do purple? Should I do red? And let's see what I pick. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, so let's see. Everything is nice and put together. I'm really happy. I'm happy with the gift basket. I moved some stuff around. I just had to show you. I end up putting a little bit of tape on the bottom of the snowman so he will not move. I end up putting the nail polish in front of the lip gloss, and I end up moving the compact so she could see it, just so she sees everything and it's visual. So go ahead and grab your bag. I picked these bags up at the Dollar Tree. You get 2 for $1, so they're perfect. Add a little bit of tape on the bottom and make sure the bag is nice and fit. Go ahead and grab your ribbon, and we're going to go ahead and finish this gift basket off. Now I decided to use this candy cane stripe ribbon, which I picked up at the Dollar Tree, and it came out perfect, you guys. I am in love with this ribbon, and actually it's the same ribbon I'm giving out in my giveaway right now. So make sure you go ahead and enter it. Don't be scared. All you have to do is subscribe, like this video, and enter the giveaway, and you could win something before Christmas. I'm going to ship it out before Christmas so you guys could go shopping. Go ahead and check out that video. And yeah, just make sure you have enough ribbon so you can make a bow at the top, because you know I love to make the bows super long, just so it gives the gift bag just a little more, you know, whimsical feeling. I love everything big and exaggerated, and that's just how I am. So make sure you give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe and like this video. And look at how adorable it came out, you guys. She's going to love this basket, hopefully. But yeah, this is a great basket for a teenager. And here's the close-up. Just add some fun goodies, and I'm sure every teenager would love it. And the stereo just gives it that extra, yay.